While a charge to Magic Chacta given shot a knocked o Kjol Aris na Hulsgala a Limna, at me Gradam Ceoil TG4 fiha coig or shul. Mara Ekentiv to atmosphere inta can shaw Hanahin, Tanahiana or Fadig Landal, agus to Magic Sulgamore le Kellery a Yani or Ahi and Kjol tradition da.
It's the ultimate honour, I suppose, in Irish music. To be selected was a big surprise, but a great honour and very thrilled. It's kind of come full circle from the very first one that my dad was awarded the first year of the Gradam Ceoil as the Musician of the Year.
Tá mé ré inis chun an Gradam a chóirtear eisco rus Comaoine agus bé má chlan go léir ina sí an ucht ag fécinint agus má cháirde chomáid so tá mé agsúil leis an oíche go mór.
It's a huge event, you know, and it's a landmark moment for us as well. We're very proud. It's, you know, when you get to 30 years as a band, it's a pretty sizable marker, and to be here in Limerick in this wonderful space where, you know, there's so much music and creativity, it just adds to the moment. It's one to cherish.
An Broderick ar fad agus tá san go maithir an Broderick asam agus troi as an gantar as Conamara was said go bhfuil Comadoir Conamara agus tá Comadoir Conamara seachas me héine tá an mha agus is antas gon gantar cínta freisin.
I've always loved his playing. You know, he's a very fluid, he's a virtuosic player, very fluid, lovely musical ideas, both in his playing and in his compositions. You know, I like his compositions for different reasons. I love the clownless waltz, and I remember saying it to him one time, and he said, "Oh, that's a very simple tune, but like simplicity is fantastic as well." And I think that has huge appeal for a lot of people. Good on you, Johnny O.
Tá ceol dá creide, tá spirit dá creide, tá óráníocht dá creide, tá muid ar bís.
Tugann sé an seanstom mo cuid ceol a haint a scape agus mo cuid obair leis pipaí límó flin a lanúnt.
Blianta fada ó hen bheitha in Oscail Limnaí agus mise a bhrun an Gradam ar Paddy Kenny. Beag a ceap me go mé héin in san ról sin mbliana ach tá áthas a fad orm a bheith.
Caim rá mar Ceoltóir gur Gradam é a thugan cumí níomháin domsa ach dus na daoine ar fad gur oibrig mé leothar na blianta sa réidió agus chumála sin na Ceoltóirí ar fad a chasan ceol agus a bhíon cho fial agus cho flathúil lena gcuid ceol ag féiltí ag imeachtaí agsúla agus chur amach dlúiascí agus a teachtasteach ag an stúdio le ceol beo a cheint agus mar sin. Is doing a lig an Gradam seo.